Pixel 8 Pro and Pixel Watch 2 has been spotted on the Google Store website, and now the company officially announced the dates of the unveiling. YouTuber Marcus Brownlee posted an image of Pixel 8 launch event on X. This is going to be an in-person event, though the company has not said that it will announce a Pixel 8, but it will be held on October 4th in New York. And like high-profile launch events, it will also be broadcasted live. Google will also unveil the Pixel Watch 2 alongside the Pixel 8 Duo. It features some design tweaks such as thinner profile and updated digital crown. The wearable will be fueled by the Snapdragon W5, and the new chipset will improve battery life and last longer than charges. The wearable is expected to switch to aluminum from a stainless steel screen to reduce its weight. The Pixel 8 is going to shrink down a bit from 6.31 inch to 6.17 inches, and the refresh rate will increase from 90 to 120 Hz. The Pixel 8 Pro will have a slightly smaller 6.7 inch screen from 6.71, and it's going to be a flat screen. The phones will have a bigger camera sensor on the back for both the ultra-wide and the main camera. Google will introduce AI features such as adaptive torch, which will allow the phone to adjust the intensity of the LED flash based on the low light images. The next flagship will have bigger batteries and support faster charging. It will have a Tensor G3 chip, along with 8 Pro will have a time of flight sensor as well.